long Satnams, or the 7 wave Satnams. The mantra that we use to tune in is Om Namo Gurudev Namo. So try bringing your hands together at your heart, thumbs connected in towards your sternum to remind the sternum to lift up. Breathe in for the first of 3. As you inhale, bring your arms up overhead, and as you exhale, stretch them back behind you. Sat Nam is used in Kundalini Yoga the way that Namaste is used in most other yogas. Hari Om Tat Sat and Jai Bhagwan are variants of sacred greetings. Sat Nam means to name, Nam, your truth, Sat. In other words, you are reverently acknowledging, Nam, that your very existence is truth, Sat. Unlike Sat Kriya or other quicker instances of Satnam, these long versions are like taking a sonic shower. The way that this is done is all in one breath. So allowing yourself to take long, deep breaths in between that are unhurried, and as you breathe out, begin the sound, the sa, at the base of the spine. Visualize the sound bathing, even spiraling, up through the chakras, or the body, if you're still unsure of where the chakras lie. Moving from your foundation in your legs and seat up to the top of your head on this very long iteration of Sat. It's 6 times longer than the Nam. The Nam you can imagine as a halo or aura above and around you, out into infinity. Nam. And then bring your palms together at your heart in Atmanjali Mudra. Nam. Last one. Sat. Nam. In Kundalini Yoga, they say that this is a bij or a seed mantra meditation. Bij mantras such as Satnam are sounds which can totally rearrange the habit patterns. We all have habit patterns. We could not function without them. But sometimes the patterns we have created are not wanted. You have changed, so you want the patterns to change. By vibrating the sound current Satnam in this manner, you activate the energy of the mind that erases and establishes habits.